The hair is beautiful. You can wear it big, but you also can wet it as well. But I like this.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we're going to be doing a wig review on Wigggins wig. I am about to get cute for Thanksgiving, get myself together for Thanksgiving. I need to look cute. I look busted. I did go by the beauty supply store and picked up, some bleach, some lashes, some shimmer light, just some supplies I need to get my wig together. I also picked up this She Bombs wax stick, this little edge thing, I don't know what that is, a new pair of tweezers, a new eyebrow archer to cut my lace off, and this little brush to put my dye on. So yes, I'm going to show you the wig that I am doing a review on today. So this is from Wigggins wig. I'll leave the price of the wig right across the screen right now. So this is how the wig comes packaged. I did open it earlier, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. The hair is super soft, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I'm not sure what type of wig this is, but I'll definitely leave it down below and across the screen. But this is the wig that I'm about to install. It's a really beautiful loose wave type of wig. Oh my gosh, can't wait to see how this is gonna look. This is how it looks on the outside before I do anything to it. Okay, let's inspect the inside of the wig. So it looks like, open it, sorry guys. So I don't think the knots are bleached, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna bleach the knots. It is like a little ashy type of lace. I don't know if this is translucent or it's not like a light brown, it looks more like white. So we're gonna make sure we tint the lace so it can look super natural. The hairline looks pretty natural on this wig. It's very thin. The hairline is not bulky at all. It's not like a lot of hair in the front. But once I get it together, dye it, bleach the knots, and get it together, because you guys can't really see how the wig looks. So once I get it together, I'll be back and I'll show you guys how I install the wig and what I feel about the wig. Okay? Alright
guys, so we got the wig on now. I did bleach the knots and added some powder. I also cut off my ear tabs off camera because I didn't want to mess it up because I'm still learning. I barely plucked the hairline because I like to pluck my hairline when it's on my head, but as you guys can see, it really don't need to be plucked. It's very natural looking. So all I did was take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and also my True Match, and this one is a little darker than me, but I found that when I use a darker foundation, it blends better to me, because when I wear my makeup, it's always a little shade darker. So here's the hair. It looks really pretty. I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but let's get it intact first. So what I normally do is just push it all to the back, and I'm put a clip, make sure. All right, so this is how I do it, you guys. I do section by section. I don't do the ball method. I just make sure that all the glue, and I like this glue because it peels up really easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it and make sure I place it correctly and put the glue correctly and how I want it, and I'll be right back, guys, because I have to really concentrate on this part. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and measure out where I want my wig to be, and I'm thinking about right there. So I am going to use my ghost bun, yeah. I'm gonna take a small teeth comb. I'm gonna take the back of my eyebrow archer thingy, and I'm gonna do a thin layer. And we don't want it to be thick. We don't want it to be, just want it very thin so it can dry really quick. Like I said, I only keep my wigs on for about 4 to 5 days, sometimes a little longer. But yeah, I don't like to double up because I don't want that much glue. Then after that, I kind of glue it down. So now that I can feel the glue is getting tighter, I just take my comb, I rake the hair back like that, and I just kind of make sure that I'm pushing the product in. And we will be adding more glue, but you see how melted this looks? Because I'm doing it in sections, and then we'll add more glue once we get to where we're getting to. But right now we're just focusing on the front area. I just take my comb and I just push my comb in the back of the glue. As you guys can see, do you see how melted that looks? Yeah, I'm gonna cut this into 2, just so. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this piece here. Guys, so I just wanted to show y'all how thick this side look. Look how thick this side is, y'all. I do not want my hairline to look like that. I don't know why this side look more natural than this side, but I need to plug this hairline. It's a really great hairline, but you don't want your hairline to look like that. That is not cute. I'm gonna take my tweezers and I'm just gonna pluck away. I hate when the hairline looks like that. Now that's just too bulky over there. I'm not going in any type of order. I'm just plucking, guys. This is how I do it, because if it was on the mannequin head, I wouldn't know like where to pluck it at. So I have to pluck it on my hair to shape my hairline. I don't see how people can pluck on a mannequin. When you go get your hair done by a professional, yeah, they pluck like off your hairline, but they pluck a lot when it's on your hairline because it has to shape your face. You have to. So if you don't learn anything else, learn how to pluck a hairline, y'all. And it's really no right and wrong to it. It's just like whatever fit your face. Try not to pluck it too hard because you don't want to be plucking your natural hair under here, because I don't have no ball cap on and stuff, so I don't want to be plucking my natural edges. See, it's already looking a lot better. We got to get this plucking right. Then you just take your hot comb . Okay, scalp. Yep. Guys, so I just got done doing my baby edges how I pretty much want them. Y'all know how I do my baby edges. Very natural looking, very short. I have a video on how I do my baby edges, I think. Like y'all know, I do them very short so it can mimic like my natural edges. See, that's how I like my baby edges. baby edges. Us here in Florida, we say baby edges, but I guess, I don't know, but me and my friends say baby edges, but I guess it's baby hair. So yeah, I can wear this in any style I want. If I want to wear a half up, half down, I never wore my hair half up, half down. It is a little wet still. Just in case I don't want to wear it in a part in the middle, I don't have to. See? I never wore my hair up in a ponytail. Maybe I will. This is so flat. Ooh, this is so pretty and flat. Like, so flat. But I'm gonna put it in a middle part because I kind of like it in the middle part. And you could add some wands, like wand your hair with the wand curler if you want your curls to pop more. But there's a baby hair situation. It'll get better as the days go. I just like enough just to cover up the lace, but not overdone. And when it's looking too thick, I just take my comb, my brush, and I brush it back. But it's so short, you can barely see them. All right, y'all, so I'm all done with this install. I'm gonna tie it up, but I love it. And I probably would add some wand curls in it just to make the curls a little bit more defined. But this is the natural curl. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.